Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about GET REBASE. So what is the difference between GET REBASE and GET MERGE? GET REBASE, this is the actual command. Of course, you need to get into the branch where you want to rebase the main, right? And GET MERGE, this is the actual command. You want to get to the main branch and issue this command. But I'm going to talk about this a little later. Let's discuss that's the difference between GET REBASE and GET MERGE. So GET REBASE, it moves your commits to start from the latest commit on another branch, usually main. And GET MERGE combines changes from one branch into another. So let me go ahead and create a new branch. So let me get into VS Code. So as you can see, I have a folder, and if I do get or dir/a, you can see that we have the hidden file .get file or folder, right? And we have a file called hello.py. Okay, so if I do status, get a status, it says on branch main. So we are using the branch main and nothing to commit, working tree clean. And to verify the list of the branch or the branch that you're using, you can do a get branch. So right now we are using the main branch. Let me clear the screen. All right, so to create a new branch, the command is get branch and the name of the branch. So feature-1, that's the name of the branch. And if I do get branch, we can see that we have the new branch that we just created. And to switch into that branch, the command is get switch feature-1. Okay. And if I do get branch, so we can see the message here, switch to branch, this. If I do get branch, you can see that we are now using the branch feature indicated by the asterisk. Okay. So let me clear the screen. So the next step is we are going to make a change here or in the file. And I'm just going to add this print statement. So making a change, or actually, adding a print statement. Now we need to add this to the stage snapshot. So to do that, get add, so all the files, get add dot, so meaning all the files. And if we do get status, we need to commit this. So the command is get commit m for the message and added print statement. So let me just add this. Okay, and get status. So nothing to commit, working tree clean. Let me clear the screen. So now if we just use this command to check the logs, get logs, we can see that, we can see this. This is the log that says that we need to, we added this print statement, right? And now we can, the next step is now we can rebase feature branch onto main. So I'm already in the feature branch, feature-1 branch. So now the command is get rebase. So again, you have to make sure that you are on the feature branch. And now we can use this command. So the command is get rebase main. So current branch feature-1 is up to date. Okay, so let me just double check. Get branch, we are still using the feature branch. There is screen. The last step is to merge the rebasing result into main. So we need to switch into the main branch. So get switch main. And now notice that we only have one print statement, right? So if we do get merge feature, actually, let me do that. Let me do this first. We are on the main branch and I'm gonna do get merge feature 1. Yes. Okay. So again, we are the main branch. So if we check the logs, and I'm going to use this command here. Now we only have, I mean, we still have the commit, right? The same commit that we did earlier. So meaning that the get rebase worked. So the get rebase moves your commits to start from the latest commit on another branch. So this is the last commit that we did on the main branch. And this is the rebase or get rebase that we did. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.